Here we are looking at the 1931 LaSalle Touring. Beautifully restored. Been to Pebble Beach. Multiple trophy winner in AACA, Classic Car Club of America. Classic Car Senior Badge. Owned since 1956 by the current owner. And it's just beautifully finished. Professionally redone wood wheels, artillery wheels. I don't know if you can see it, but we've got very subtle pinstriping. Correctly done, nice and narrow. LaSalle emblem side mount mirrors. What a gorgeous car. And it runs as good as it looks. This car is delightful to drive. It is just absolutely does everything it's supposed to, and runs great, pulls hills easily. A nice synchromesh transmission, which was a factory thing in 31. And just a beautiful car. Let's take a look at the interior. So we're out here in the sunlight. Fresh leather done about 7 or 8 years ago, and it looks and feels brand new. It's just soft and nice. Look at that double stitching, just like it's supposed to. The trim work on this car is terrific. We've got jump seats for when you take it in a parade and want to have all your friends join you. Steering wheel's real nice. Dashboard is beautiful. So there we go. So we are gonna now take it for a drive. All right, we are gonna fire it up, which is a 2-step process. We pull out that key, and then there's an auxiliary switch, and starts easily. E-brake works like it's supposed to. Car runs nice and cool. Charges. Good low pressure. As the engine revs, we wind up the oil pressure. That's good. Looks like the gas gauge is working, but the speedometer does not work. So we're gonna tap the horn and be on our way. Quiet synchromesh transmission. The car is very easy to drive. Just a super pleasant car to drive. Downshifts easily. It's just a great day out here driving the LaSalle. Stops good. Brakes are working like they're supposed to. That is a nice car. Steering's nice and tight. brakes are working. It's all good.